Discover a distinctive California retreat like no other. Welcome to Wander Hollywood Hills. I'm Frankie and I'm going to be showing you this mid-century modern 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom hillside home that comfortably sleeps up to 4 guests. Known as the Banta House, this home was named after notable AIA architect Richard Banta, who actually designed and resided in this very home in 1959. So this is a true piece of history and architecture here in Hollywood. The home sits atop very unique and eye-catching red V-shaped stilts and gives you stunning views of the city and canyons of Los Angeles. Now, coming on through the front gate of the home here, you're gonna find an inner courtyard where you have a very peaceful sitting area, and these pieces are by French designer Philippe Starck. Now we're gonna enter the home here through these sliding glass doors where you're going to see our open concept living room and kitchen space. You have a floor to ceiling wall of glass giving in the best natural light, and you can open up the sliding doors here to give us a true mid-century modern feel of indoor-outdoor living. Now, our living room space here is very comfortable and cozy. All of the colors in here truly just pop against the sleek white walls and ceiling, along with the dark wooden flooring and wood features of this space. And all of the pieces in this house are so unique. I cannot say that enough in here. You have chairs from the 1960s placed in the living room, and across from that, you're gonna find a couch from Danish designer Erik Jorgensen. And seriously, this couch is so soft to the touch. It's the best spot to come back to and relax after a day of exploring Hollywood. And for entertainment in here, we have a television with a Sonos speaker. And fun fact, you're gonna find 2 books in the cabinet here that actually feature articles about this very house, which is so amazing, especially if you're curious about learning more about the architecture and Richard Banta. Then you can walk right on over to our kitchen here that is so special. This kitchen was meticulously designed to not even look like a kitchen itself. It's meant to just blend right into our living room. All of the appliances and cabinetry are just melted into this white and wooden design here, and you're probably wondering where the cooktop is in here. Check this out. This is the most unique thing I've ever seen. You can slide the kitchen island countertop off here to reveal an induction stovetop, and now on over here we have an island seating area for 4. When you are staying at a Wander, you can prepare a meal here by yourself with everything we provide for you in our state-of-the-art kitchen, or you can have our Wander concierge suggest the best private local chefs in the area to come here and prepare a meal for you and your guests. Both options are great, and whenever you're ready to enjoy your delicious meal, you can sit right at that countertop island we just saw, or you can head right on out here to our patio deck where we have a table and chairs that seats 4, so you can dine al fresco. And I am so in love with this patio out here. This is wonderful any time of the day. You can have the best morning meditation with a cup of coffee, or in the evening, we have the best sunsets here on the West Coast. The skies are going to be painted with oranges and pinks, so just imagine sitting out here with a cocktail with your friends and family as you enjoy the beauty of Wander Hollywood Hills. Now, from our main space here, we're gonna head down the hallway where you're gonna have a bright piece of artwork. Down from that, we have one of our bathrooms located here with a very spacious single vanity sink, a mirror with backlighting, and a luxury shower. But we're gonna head right on next to that to our primary bedroom. This room is so spacious and bright. You have a queen size bed, a wall-mounted TV. Right behind the bed here, you have a full mirror wall. Everything in this house was so uniquely built and placed there with so much thought, so you get the best experience. And from this bedroom, you of course have access to the outside patio where you can just wake up, have a cup of coffee, and be greeted by Hollywood. The in-suite primary bathroom is so luxurious. You have a vessel double vanity sink and mirror, and the back wall in here is a concrete handmade tile, and seriously, the texture on this is just so mesmerizing. It's gorgeous. And next to that, you're gonna find your walk-in luxury shower with a rainfall shower head. In every Wander bathroom, you're going to find high-end amenities like shampoo, body washes, and conditioners, and these items are all handpicked to ensure the highest level of quality. And my favorite thing is that you can wrap yourself up in the luxury of our plush towels, robes, and slippers, and I always rush to put this Wander robe on every single Wander house I stay at. It seriously just makes me feel like I'm at home. It's so comfortable. Our priority in every Wander bedroom is to give you even better sleep than you get at home. We prioritize your comfort, so we make sure our mattresses use the latest in sleep technology so that you wake up rejuvenated and completely fully rested. And additionally to that, we have wireless phone chargers next to every single one of the beds, and they are the best phone chargers, so if you forgot to pack your own, you do not have to worry. And across from our primary bedroom, you're going to find the secondary bedroom with a queen-size mattress, a wall-mounted TV, and underneath of that is one of my favorite pieces of furniture in the house. You have an old stereo cabinet from the 1950s. I really think this ties this whole space together in here. You're also going to find an ultra-modern workstation in the corner of this room, and then you have access to the outside patio deck. One of the main benefits of staying at a Wander versus other vacation homes is our ultra-modern workstations found at every single property. And here at Hollywood Hills, we have one for your use. Every Wander home has high-speed internet and ubiquity hardware across the entire property. Each workstation features a Herman Miller Aeron chair, which seriously has the best back support of all chairs, and an uplift sit-to-stand desk. You're also going to find the best Logitech Brio 4K camera, so when you enjoy your Zoom calls, you won't even need a virtual background. We also have a 38-inch extra-wide LG curved monitor. And to get started with this workstation, all you have to do is plug one wire into your laptop, and then it's all connected for you. Now that's a tour of our beautiful home here, but there's a few other features that will enhance your vacation that you should know about. You can elevate your family vacation with Wander. We are here to provide you with cribs and high chairs, so you do not have to worry about packing those in your luggage on your epic getaway. As you are enjoying this beautiful hillside home, you will notice the interior design is meticulously curated and always reflects the location the house is in. Since Los Angeles is known for its glitz and glamour, as well as its stunning natural landscapes, all of the decor and materials used in constructing this very home here reflect that, giving you a fully immersed vacation experience. If you are feeling overwhelmed with what to do during your trip, we have a travel guide that you can watch next with a ton of recommendations on what to do, see, and eat within the area. But if you're looking for some more specific help, our Wander concierge team can help you out with that. Just simply text them at the number shown here on the screen anytime with questions. Well, thanks for joining me here at Wander Hollywood Hills. With our house tour complete, let's go explore the surrounding area because there is a ton to do and see here. You can check out our travel guide next to learn all about it. We're so excited to welcome you here in sunny California.